We have the Fisher-Price Infant-to-Toddler rocker. Today, Arvin and I will show you how to assemble a Fisher-Price Infant-to-Toddler rocker. Make sure your newborn to toddler rocker looks like this, because there is another design with the same name from Fisher-Price as well. If your baby rocker more looks like this, we have another video for that. I put a link here and also in the description below this video. Let's cover this Fisher-Price Infant-to-Toddler rocker assembly, and we'll start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this video on how to assemble a battery replacement for infant-to-toddler rocker from Fisher-Price. We'll start with a quick unboxing to make sure we have all the parts required. Then we cover how to assemble the Fisher-Price infant-to-toddler rocker. And we also cover which battery is used in the Fisher-Price rocker. Coming up. Let's start the assembly by a quick Fisher-Price rocker unboxing. These are the parts in the box. Make sure you have all of them. You also need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's start the Fisher-Price infant-to-toddler rocker assembly. We need the left and right legs and the front panel with the Fisher-Price logo on it. The panel snaps in this part of the side leg. Slide it in like this. Find the correct side of the leg and install the other side as well. There are two sets of screws in the box. For this step, we need 4 of the shorter ones. Screw the front panel to the legs like this. We need a Phillips screwdriver. We use 2 screws per side. Repeat this for the other side as well. In this step, we connect the kickstand. This is the part with 2 rubber feet on it. It goes to these cutouts here. Make sure you line up the holes for the screws. Grab 2 of the longer screws for this step. Here is the kickstand. Connect the seat back tube. It goes to these holes on the frame. It has push buttons on it. Push it in to lock into the place. By the way, so far if you liked the video, please like the video. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for the support, and let's continue with the video. This step is confusing. This part connects to these cutouts on the rear bottom side. There are 2 holes on each side of the tube and a peg on the frame side. The bigger hole is for the peg and the smaller one is for the screws, as you see. To make it even more confusing, on one side the peg goes to the first hole on the tube, but on the other side it goes to the second hole, as you see in the pictures. So make sure the tube points like this and put it in the cutouts. Use the two of the shorter screws and tighten the screws. Remember that the bigger hole on the tube is for the peg. If it does not fit, turn it over, as the tube is a one-way feed. In this step, we attach the seat pad for the Fisher-Price rocker. There's a pocket on the back of the seat pad. Put this on the seat back tube like this. There are a bunch of these pegs. They go inside these holes. Attach the toy bar like this. Strap the seat pad to the frame like this. So, which battery is used in the Fisher-Price rocker? Flip over the rocker. The battery compartment is here. Loosen the screw and remove the door. For this Fisher-Price Infant-to-Toddler rocker, you need two C or LR14 alkaline batteries. The batteries are not included. Plan ahead so you don't have to run to the store. I put a link on the batteries type in the video description. By the way, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.